Right, this is running, by the way.
Yeah. I'll let you have a quick chat. I had a chat with him earlier, but for the people that don't know about this car, I think if you have a quick chat with him and ask about it, I found out earlier when I was looking at it, it's all covered in burnt rubber. When I was looking at it earlier, it's fiberglass predominantly. But did you notice the clips in the roof?
Ah,
That's tasty! That's tasty! Beetle, hit it! Here we go! Bring it up! This is not like it's mine! This is what I'm about! Make it so hot! Okay, round of applause for the beetle! He's alive! He lives! Congratulations, man. Massive round of applause for the beetle. I said it was all over and done in 30 seconds. You guys weren't ready, were you? Look at you.
It really is. It happened so quickly and so silently.
Are you okay?
Look, coming up the
You held in a bit longer on that one, didn't you, as well?
I got it up to 140 then on the clock. 140 miles an hour.
140 miles an hour in about 10 seconds.
Completely silently as well.
Look at the smoke still pouring. Look at it coming out of these holes. Look at that. Insane. Absolutely insane. Thank you so much for bringing it along. Guys, a round of applause. No, let's not do that. Let's make some room. Let's bring on the Escort that's been revealed. Thank you, Dip Monkey. You want to hold there because we're going to bring the Escort out. Is the Escort ready to go, Jay? Do you want to... Good choice. Anyone else? Anyone else enjoyed today? Hello, mate. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
What's been your favourite car to see go up there?
The Micra.
Yeah, the Micra. Who is?
Is he still alive, driver? I'll take that as a yes. There we go. Fair play. Do you know what? That worked like a charm, didn't it? It's a piece of plastic trim. There we go. It's fine.
You don't need that weight reduction.
No, exactly. It's only going to go faster.
I'm just going to be Fireman Sam.
There's a little
You know that's not how you use a fire extinguisher, Nick?
Yeah, they're like rolling pins, isn't they?
No, what the hell?
And that's your fire extinguisher as well. So
No, lovely. Cheers. I'll put that back in that extra. Lovely, lovely. Right. That does put us.
Hang on.
What?
You going for it? Let's go.
should we do
Who
one
wants
more?
to see another one?
Should we do one more?
Okay, that's good. One more.
Sully, you're going in front.
What's that?
So no, do you know what?
Engine on a Nissan Micra.
This poor Nissan.
Has anybody blown tyres yet?
Yeah, we had one small fire, which was okay.
Good. We love fire.
Good.
Chiro said,
I've known it's been easy.
Chiro, this is from the BMW tyre,
Nice.
but it didn't hit anyone, so
Well,
that's cool.
this is flames thunder and burning rubber. So
Well, exactly.
you got to be flat.
Do a burnout. Have you seen it already? A few people.
Bit more.
It was on a boost hose last time, so we were down just to the block.
Send it.
Second gear. It's bombing. Right,
Yay! Second! Oh no, he's doing it! Hey!
Yeah, Motoronics.
This is what it's all about. I've been alive and say when a bear burnouts.
That poor car. That poor roof, more like.
Welcome to Nebworth. Who wants some lasagna?
Sing me an Oasis song, go on.
Alright. Well, I won't look back in anger, Chiro. How about that? This poor Michael's going to give it. Come up as well, though. So for those of you, we are Motor Addicts. We've been here all day, and we're going to be here all tomorrow. We've had a blast.
Unfortunately for you guys.
Thank you so much for checking out our nonsense. Please find us on social media and YouTube, and we will see you on the next one.
Yes.
DJ Carl, play us out.
Yay!
And the tire's gone.
Congratulations.
Let's give it time.
One more contender to go up. That was it from Motor Addicts with our car, but we've got one more to go up. I believe Barry's in the car. Is it the GT86? Yes. Okay, we can send up a GT86.